Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am today's product recommendation officer, and I am proud to introduce to you an innovative product that combines the advantages of sliding and casement windows. BSW120 Side Sliding Window. Take a look together. BSW120 Side Sliding Window combines the simplicity of sliding window and the sealing of casement window perfectly. Easily the flexible switching between the two ways of opening the window. Push-pull is convenient and does not take up space, while casement allows for smoother ventilation and more flexible use. BSW120 Side Sliding Window with 1.8 mm wall thickness to strengthen the profile, double rail and double wheel design, big brand hardware, sliding fan surrounded by locking. Effectively improve the wind pressure resistance of the entire window performance. Solidity is stronger, comprehensive care home comfort. It also has a floor-to-ceiling design with a narrow side hidden fan for a clear view, and can be equipped with a glass guardrail to allow indoor and outdoor spaces to be connected for an unobstructed view. Let's take a look at its sealing. 7 mm side pressure extrusion, the whole circle bite type locking, so that the sliding window is comparable to the casement window, to achieve super strong sealing. At the same time, combined with high elasticity rubber strip multi-channel sealing design. Sealing performance comparable to casement windows. Finally, BSW120 Side Sliding Window is equipped with automotive-grade side pressure sealing system, high drainage structure design, and external glass guardrail, which is conducive to the rapid discharge of rainwater. Even if the high-level ceiling of the balcony, you do not have to worry about the accumulation of water. The BSW120 Side Sliding Window is not only safe and reliable, but also has a high degree of sealing, all of which can be your ideal choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content. See you next time.